Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'm going to be walking through how to install POSPro Script for this amazing website. Next, so first thing you want to do is to open a different browser and search for .net. Alright, so once you're done with that, you can see an outcome just like this. You can see the website. So you just want to go ahead and search for your preferred script. So for me, I already have this POSPro Script. So this is an advanced POS Inventory Management System application. So this is written in Flutter. You also have the Laravel. So what you want to do next is just go ahead and look through documentations and see the features of the application and other details So once that is successfully done, you want to go ahead and add this script to cart, and click on the add to cart button. It's just view this button, you see the details of the item added to cart, and just see the name. This is the POSPro advanced application. You see the price of the application is $29 Flutter script. So you just confirm everything, and then you go ahead to go to checkout. So clicking on go to checkout, you're just going to be processed to input your credentials that are required in order to make purchase. So in our case, we're going to go through this route where you purchase the script, so you can do it the second time. So just go ahead and process. It's a straightforward procedure. Just input the required fields of your script to get started with download. So once the download is successful, you just want to go ahead and go to a new tab in order to get your required tools. Tools that we're going to be installing and downloading these scripts in order to get started. Flutter is Flutter Educate itself. We're going to get some IDE, which is some integrated development environments such as Android Studio as well as Visual Studio. Alright, so we're going to go to Flutter Official Documentation, and this is Flutter Official Documentation. Just going to go to it to get started with Flutter. So the first thing you want to do is going to give you a rundown of the Visual Studio in order to get this up and running. You just want to go ahead and choose your preferred development environment in order to start. So we're going to be using Windows, use Mac. So anyway, this is select. So once that is selected, you want to go ahead and choose the first application. So our POS advanced application is an Android application, so we're just going to go ahead and select Android. Alright, so once that is done, you want to go ahead and configure your system requirements, ensure that your system meets the hardware requirements as well as the software requirements for this application, and just go through the documentation, confirm everything is alright. Once that's done, just want to go ahead and go to this next step, which is install Flutter now. So there are two tabs here. You use the AS code to install it, so you can use Android to download it directly and install it here. So there are a couple of steps here after you click on this download. So the current version is 3.29.2. So there are a couple of steps here, about 3 steps that you need to follow in order to get and extract this Flutter after being downloaded. So the first one, you download it by clicking on this button down here. And the second step, you just have to create a folder where you can install Flutter. So that's going to be after you downloaded Flutter, you just create a new folder. You can call it directory, you can call it whatever it is you want. Just know that it should be a unique name, and you're going to extract the unzip Flutter to that directory. Once you're done with that, yeah, give it to go. Alright, so now that we have downloaded Flutter Educate, it's time to get our integrated development environment up and running. So the first IDE we're going to be installing and downloading is Android Studio. So what is Android Studio? Android Studio is simply a Android development environment. So you can get to make modifications to your Flutter script just there. So yeah, just go ahead and read the documentation, know what is good about things, and just read about the features and all that, new features and features that exist. This should help you to know your way around Android. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and read the release notes. and you just want to go ahead and click this down button here. So get to that you're going to be reading the terms and conditions. Ensure you read the terms and conditions, and once you've completed that, you just want to go ahead and check this box where you agree that you've read the terms and conditions, then you can download that Studio. Because it's the current version of Android Studio, the latest version of Android Studio at the time. Alright, so once you're done with that, you click on this button and then you download it immediately. Alright, so the next thing we want to get is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is not an IDE, so you just want to get this and you are going to also write down an application or if it's another application directly to this IDE. So there are three options here. You can get it down and three options here. So me and going to go ahead and select this, just select it and then your download is going to be immediately selection. And once you're done with that, follow the steps and procedures in order to install this different IDs for the Android Studio and Visual Studio in your machine. So just click on the install .exe file and then follow the same steps, the same procedure that you wanted. It's a straightforward process, and then alright, now that everything that we need has been installed and downloaded, you just want to go ahead and locate your installed Flutter script, and then you can either use your Android Studio. We have Android Studio here and also have Visual Studio here. So I currently have it at Visual Studio. You just want to go ahead and locate it, so the directory path should be pointed down to your installed Flutter script, right? So kind of get. You're going to be putting in a few commands in order to get this running. So you just want to start with Flutter running. Just do Flutter run down there. Sorry about that. No, not Flutter run. You just want to run this project like that. So you can cancel that. Sorry about that. So you just want to say Flutter clean. That's the first command in order to start cleaning your project. Right? You just get to this project to your machine. The first thing you want to do is to clean the project and ensure that most of the plugin dependencies that doesn't match your system. So you just want to go ahead and clean that. So once you're done cleaning, you just want to go ahead and say flood prevent. This is going to reinstall these dependencies, plugins, and also files that we deleted because of cleaning it, and it's just going to get everything project. Alright, so we have everything up and running. We see that dependencies installed successfully, so the step is going on pretty well. Everything was perfectly installed. So we want to now connect our emulator. So if you're using a physical device, you just have to plug it into your system. If you're using your emulator, you can go to Android Studio and get your emulator up and running. And once that is done, you just want to go ahead and do the final command, which is Flutter run. This is going to run your application in your emulator. Okay, so application is running right now, so give it some time and it's going to be on. Okay, so our application is up and running, and the start of the game is flashing. So we're already logged into the application. This is how our application looks like up and running, and we have the home screen, the dashboard, the reports, and the settings. So that is all about this application. If you want to get more, just buy us a coffee, tell us if you want help to install the scripts, and then we'll help you do that. So thank you very much, and see you next time.